Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System and Updates. Then Language and Input, keyboard that you're currently using, and Themes. Over here you can go into Gallery and download one of these themes. By tapping on one of them, click in Download and log in to your Google or Microsoft account. You can also go into yours and pick one of the available themes by tapping on them. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!